rice. Can a simple ingredient like rice give you the radiance and glow you've always desired for? Is it really the answer to all your skin concerns? Well, these days we see rice being advertised as the main ingredient in many skin and hair care products. My question is it really worth the hype? And if yes, then can we make a much practical version of rice in our DIY skincare product, which we can use more frequently, making sure that it does not make a hole in our pockets? Let's find out. I will be testing this mask on a few practical grounds. First, its efficacy. Do I see an instant result in the appearance of my skin after using this mask? Second, whether it is cost effective. And lastly, how easy or complicated this recipe is to make. There has been a heavy use of rice in Korean and Western products, and the formulations of those products are very fine, I must say, because I've used a few of them myself. The results have been impressive too. But they're extremely heavy on your pocket. Say a serum or an emulsion will cost you anywhere from between 2,000 to 5,000 rupees, which is not a small amount in my opinion. And if you plan to use it daily, it means a bigger investment. So why not take rice from your kitchen and use it directly on your skin? Is it going to give you the same results? And if the rice mask that we are going to make in this video gives you amazing nourishing results, then why go for those expensive chemical products when you can achieve results so amazing that no cream or a mask can give you? And so my aim is to make a mask and test its efficacy and share my results with you. For this mask, we need to soak 1 to 2 tablespoons of rice in some water for 10 minutes and then rinse the rice until the water is no more cloudy. Thoroughly wash the rice. Now turn on the flame and put some water to boil and add in the soaked and washed rice. Let it come to a boil and let it simmer for until the rice is nicely cooked and almost mushy. You do not have to reduce the water all the way through. You can keep some starchy water in it as it helps makes this mask creamier. Let the rice cool down, and once your rice is all cool, you can transfer it in a mixer grinder and give it a good grinding. Make sure you don't put too much starchy water in it, otherwise you'll end up with a very runny rice mix, and we do not want that. Make sure that your rice is not grainy. If your rice hasn't blended well, then grind it until you get a smooth paste like this. Now at this stage, add approximately 1 tablespoon of flaxseed gel. For those of you who do not know how to make a flaxseed gel, you can check out the video in my description box. I have made a detailed video on how to make flaxseed gel. We are going to add 2 to 3 capsules of vitamin E oil and give it a nice blend. Your end product should look something like this. You can transfer this mix in an airtight container and store it in the fridge for a week to 10 days. This is a self-preserving mask because we've put vitamin E in it and we are storing it in the fridge. Now let us test this mask. Clean your face of any dirt or sweat. You can apply this mask generously all over your face. Give your face a good massage if you want for good absorption. And now wait for it to dry completely. Let it air dry and do not use a hair dryer to dry it out. Do not use water directly on your face to wash it off because it will be all slippery and slimy and it will be a struggle for you to take it off. Preferably use a microfiber towel or a cotton pad to take off this mask. Wet the towel and start removing your face mask. it'll come off easily. Wash your face thoroughly with water and wipe it dry. Well, the first thing that I notice is an instant glow and radiance. I feel like my pores have shrunk a bit and my skin is feeling quite plump after using this mask. My skin feels fresh, dewy, and extremely smooth, as you can tell. I am pretty impressed with how well this mask has turned out to be. This mask was a success in my opinion. I looked out on the internet why rice is such a good ingredient for your skin, and upon searching I found out that rice is rich in amino acids and antioxidants, which helps with issues like skin whitening, wrinkles, fading dark spots, helps in shrinking out your pores, and much more. Is it effective? Yes. Did it give my skin an instant radiance? Yes. Is it cost effective? Absolutely yes. It won't cost you a single penny to make this mask, as it's made of basic ingredients which are available in every household. Is it a complicated recipe to make? In my opinion, no. And once you make it, it'll last you a good amount of time. Just a little piece of information I would like to give you guys is that I will not recommend you use this mask daily because it stretches your skin when it dries out. And so in my opinion, people with sensitive skin use it once a week in order to avoid the possible irritation and redness. Make sure to give this mask a try and let me know in the comment section below how you liked it. If you have any requests for me to do a video on a specific topic, I'll be happy to do it. I will be back with another such interesting video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and I will see you in the next one. Bye.